In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vertical divider in Elementor, which is a fantastic way to enhance the visual layout of your website and guide your viewers' eyes logically across different sections. Whether you're creating a sleek portfolio site or refreshing a brand's homepage, understanding how to implement vertical dividers can make a significant difference in your design's professionalism and clarity. First, let's open the Elementor editor. Once there, navigate to the section where you'd like to add the vertical divider. This choice might depend on what content you want to distinctly separate or highlight. Look for the section where a vertical division can improve readability or aesthetics. Next, we'll add a new column to the section. Simply go to the section settings, locate the column button, and click on Add New Column. This additional space is where your divider will sit, allowing for clearer organization without disrupting the existing layout. After adding the column, it's time to access the column settings. Click on the column you've just created to open the panel on the left side of the screen. Now switch to the Style tab. Here's where you can really start tailoring the appearance of your divider, so it works seamlessly with the rest of your design. Within the Style settings, look for the background type options. You'll want to choose Classic. This is an essential step because, within the Classic settings, you'll have options that give you the control to transform it into a sleek divider line. Once Classic is selected, let's focus on adding a solid background color. Choose a color that complements your design, something not too obscure but noticeable enough to create that division. Move ahead to the essential part of making this line vertical, adjusting the width setting. Gradually decrease the width to around 1 or 2 pixels. This setting makes the column a thin, vertical line rather than a wide block of color. Adjust the height based on your section. If it's a substantial section, you might want a longer line so the divider spans appropriately. For that personalized touch, explore the shade or opacity to ensure the line isn't just visible but stylish. Elementor's live preview will serve as your guide here, adapting in real time to your tweaks. Lastly, step back and review how this divider influences the overall design flow of the page. You might need slight alterations to align it perfectly. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective way to create a clean vertical divider using Elementor. This technique not only enhances visual appeal but also improves user navigation by creating smooth content segmentation. Play around with different colors and thicknesses to see what best fits the theme and message of your website. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more tutorials for further Elementor expertise.